guys hearing something? Check the bathroom.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Here we go!
Huh? You want mate?
Come on, Channel 4, Channel 4. Paducah, you're not slick. You're not fucking slick.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Explosive bodies, temperature ranges 69 in Westport to 75 in Elmhurst. Midtown at 63 and holding steady. Thanks, Bay. You're welcome. WC2 sign 1. This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. In the event of an actual emergency, this system will bring you important information. This is only a test.
Provides the latest and most comprehensive news affecting the trucking industry with award-winning journalism and news coverage that is informative, objective, and engaging. So visit thetrucker.com today for up-to-date news. That's thetrucker.com. Or pick up a copy of The Trucker along with the Trucker Jobs magazine at select TA, Petro, and other truck stops throughout the nation. This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System has been designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instruction and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.
Almost time again, guys.
And the temperature was 74. In St. Louis, it was partly sunny.
Across the region, sunny in Columbia, Missouri, with a temperature of 81.
Fuck you.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Alert System. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones would... This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Alert System. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending... The test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the test forecast. KX 97, Illinois, New Jersey, California, Green, Paducah, Madison, receivers and 5 months. Resume normal programming. Radio will cease at 3 miles an hour. At Mount Vernon, the temperature was 75 degrees. At Cool, 77 degrees. In Springfield, it was cloudy with a temperature
Surprise,
of 77.
motherfucker!
What the hell?
Automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. This Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., but may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming. This is NOAA. Weather Radio KXI 79 Hillsboro, Illinois. Broadcasting on 162.425 megahertz. This program originates from the National Weather Service forecast.
Well, first required weekly test on the new setup. Let's see what activated. I heard something. Where's it coming from? Okay, anyways, let's see what activated. The AlertWorks activated. The Recom activated. The 74200 activated. WR300 version 8 activated. Weekly test on the WR400, the CL100, the 262. See? The 519. This thing sorry you can't see it, but this thing I use for the main instrument. The EH55. The ER210. And surprisingly, after St. Louis's test, Lincoln decided to butt in early because the zone guard activated perfectly, and this one had a little bit of an itsy fit, but can't complain otherwise. What a successful weekly test.